life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Hello mga kachika! Noong nakaraang araw nga ay talaga namang naging usap-usapan nga sa social media ang naging kasalan nga ng anak ng dating mag-asawang Marjorie Barreto at Dennis Padilla na si Claudia Barreto at ang long-term boyfriend nga nito na si Balti Lorenzo, kung saan napakaganda, pribado at tahimik nga lang sana ang kasalang ito. Ngunit sa ginawa ngang ingay ni Dennis Padilla ay talaga namang naging usap-usapan nga ito sa social media at nagkaroon din ng pagkakataon kung saan nagkasagutan na nga si Marjorie Barreto at Dennis Padilla sa kanilang mga interviews. Ganun pa man ay nakakatuwa at talaga namang nakakabilib dahil sa likod nga ng gulo na ito ay meron ngang isang Leon Barreto na nakasuporta, nakaalalay at talaga namang nagmamahal nga sa kanyang ate na si Claudia. Ito nga ang kanyang naging caption. My Chloe just got married. Still can't believe I'm saying that. When we were young, it was almost automatic how we'd bump each other's head. But as time went on, we became each other's confidant and go-to person. I'm truly grateful for how close we've become, knowing everything about each other without judgment, only love and comfort. I hope you know you also raised me in so many ways to become a better man. You taught me how to talk to girls properly, how to be a gentleman, how to respect the people around me, and so much more. You've guided me toward the right path and passed on life lessons I'll forever hold and remember. Your independence, intelligence, and strength are so admirable, Chloe. The love that you give to your family and friends is unmatched. With that, my only wish for you is to be loved the same way you love, so deeply, so genuinely. As I said in my speech, I had the privilege of not only being watched by you as I grow up, but by Basti too. Basti has seen me through every phase of my life over the past 10 years. I witnessed a rare kind of love between the two of you, one that stayed strong through the adversity. Some people may not see it, but I do. And I know you've helped each other become the best version of yourselves over the years. Chloe, I hope you know I'll forever be here for you in times of hardship, even though someone else will now look after you. As your brother, I won't ever let you go through life's challenges alone. I am and always will be your biggest supporter and protector. I pray for a happy marriage ahead. Continue to protect your peace and joy, and don't let anyone or anything else take that away. Love you, Claudia, and welcome to the family, Basti. Marami nga ang talaga namang naantig ang puso sa post na ito ni Leon. Kaya naman, sa likod nga ng gulo ay talaga namang nakakatuwang may Leon Barreto na nakaalalay sa kanyang ate. At sana, pagdating ng araw ay ganyan nga rin ang gawin ng kanyang papa na si Dennis Padilla. Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!